Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be Bluey theme class school treats for birthday. That was a handful, a mouthful. If you already watched my previous videos, I had a Bluey birthday haul, a Bluey birthday goodie bag, and this would be a Bluey birthday treat for school treat when their birthday is during school time. Yeah, you got it. If you haven't done so already, please click subscribe, and if you did, thank you very much, and I will continue with today's video. If you saw my other videos, you know that I went with episode theme things. Like, let's say, like on the other video says sleepy time. It was one of the goodie bag treats for the birthday party. So sleepy time, it was, I put stars to put it in the ceiling, so that was sleepy time. In this case, it says, oh, biscuits, it's my birthday. And then Layla is my daughter. Oh, biscuits. Bluey and Bingo say it a lot on the cartoon. So, oh, biscuits, I decided to give them chocolate chip and candy chocolate chip cookies. I will add 2 of them, and a juice box. And I wanted to show you how I did it. I did do this my own, and with my phone and printer. So I printed these 2.5. So if you cut it in half, you'll have like a paper that you can clip on. I will add the cookies to a smaller bag. You will need these bags, which are the zipper seal bags from Dollar Tree. And then this one's, I lost the package, but it's just like the regular loot bag, and it's transparent for the bigger one. So I will add the juice and then the cookies, the 2 cookies with the inside of this bag in here, so they can take it. If the teacher wants to give them during class, they can eat it during class, but most likely teachers like treats that the kids can take home at the end of the school day. They can take it home and the parents can deal with it, you know. If I were to send them like this and that, it takes time away from the teacher, especially for a kindergarten teacher like Layla. They already have a set up day. Their day is already set up, and this takes away time, even for the ones that want to take away time. For a preschool, it would be nice because preschool is flexible, you know. The more of these, the better. But kindergarten, they already have a schedule. So I decided to do it like this. So if you want to do this, you will need these little loot bags, a bigger bag, a juice, and some cookies. You will look, I will show you at the end how they look, and how the paper thing that I did also will look like. So right here in a paper, I printed 4 of them and made space in between, because I will cut right at the edge. I will get all the papers right here. I made for 17, because I made more than 17. There's 17 students. So I'm gonna cut in half this one, and then I will cut in half this way. Oh my gosh, with my hand like this, I can't do it. I have a sprain. Look at this. So we have these like that. Now we'll have this like that, and then we can fold in half like so. So you have this little thing like this, and then we can grab our cookies. I'm gonna grab one of these bags actually, and then let me see if I have bags already out, because I'm gonna show you like this. I'm gonna put my hand in one of these because I don't have glove, whoopsie, or a napkin. Just to show you, I'm going to do this, and I'm gonna rip through these, and then I'm going to grab one of each of the cookies. They're different kinds of flavors. So this one has M&Ms, and the other ones have chocolate chips. You can do either one, you know, whatever. Or they're already pre-packaged bags. I just didn't want it to have a pre-packaged bag face to the bag. you know what I mean. I just wanted it to be very Bluey-like thing. So I'm gonna grab one cookie with chocolate chip, and then one with the M&M. Now we have 2 cookies in there, and then I can take that off. I can have this seal it. It has a zipper, so it keeps the cookies fresh in there. So I'm gonna grab my bigger loot bag. I'm gonna open it and then put one of the juice box. This is Honest Kids. Is one of the healthier juices besides Capri Sun. That is my monkey. Please stop. Honest Kids has no added sugars, organic. They have super fruit punch. They have lemonade, apple, and grape. I'll show you in a minute. So you put your little juice in there, and then you'll add your little cookies. Then we have this kind of a setup right here, like that. Now we grab our bag, and then I'm going to do this. Fold it like this. I'm gonna need a stapler, which I don't have on hand, and then I'm gonna put it and staple it. Then we have our little goodie bag. It says, "Oh, biscuits, it's my birthday." I could add it in there, but you're gonna cover everything else. So if I only added it to the cookies without the other bag, you can do the cookies, add your little banner here, and staple that in place, and then they have their cookies and their juice by itself. I could also do that, but I just want to make it as easier as possible for the teacher. But that's the idea. Oh, biscuits, it's my birthday. I'm gonna do it and decide what I'm gonna do, and at the end I will show you. That are the flavors of this Honest Kids: grape, apple, fruit punch, and very good lemonade. And then that's how I decided to add them instead. I put the "Oh, biscuits, it's my birthday" little thing inside. Then they can see the cookies and their juice on the other side. Just like that. I think it's easy for the teacher just to grab them and give them one, and they can skedaddle out of here. You know what I mean? Yes, it's very cute. The paper's in there, and oh goodness.